Let's double check, guys, just the local updates for Avantis, targets updates with my customer success. So almost the months ago, I posted the TradingView idea. Highly recommend you join and follow accounts totally for free on TradingView. By the way, I highly recommend you join the free Telegram channel. There I share a lot of ideas. So this is a local targets what I posted. This is a local one, and this block it's a main one. And 0.5 correction of the downtrend. Technically, we already feel it the first block, and now, or we rebound from current prices to $1.4394, so it's 0.5 level above of correction, and sweep the October open, or we going down to the next point like under 10 cents. So yes, believe it or not, but it's more than real to see, because the people all the time screaming, we go into the moon, we never drop to your zone of interest until it's happened. So why exactly this level? Because we use initiation accumulation pump model. This is for every single token after listing. And now we try hold the line, test about the first zone of fixation of the swing trades after listing. What is good, guys, anyway, believe it or not, but if this token is not a pure scam, and I hope it's not a scam, so we will rebound to close the 50% of this downtrend move. Also, this is an order flow, pure order flow from the sellers. So also, believe it or not, but one day, all these stop losses, will be liquidated. So anyway, one day the market makers will hunt a liquidity, because every single week and the body candle, it's someone's stop losses, so it's liquidity. So anyway, it's not because if we rebound, it's not because the Avantis is so special. No, just because of price action and the price delivery. So the market makers always hunt liquidity to make more USD at the end. So this is the main goal of crypto, not because Avantis is some special and you invest in this project because this is some unique project. No, it's just a basic token which we can trade. So the next zone of interest is 0.5 level above FIP, it's 1141. This one. Also, for everyone who won't believe it will happen, open the chart of Celestia. If you're just new here, I would like to remind you, find the difference. Guys, never say never, because the people are brainwashed with the crypto. So, invest in project because it's so special. No, invest in project just only in zone of interest. If you're not sure to buy or not, just skip the token. Plus, we can't know which token will pump, which token will dump, but we can only work with the proper money management. Of course, we can invest in even in zone of interest, even here, and the token can dump even lower. Of course, it's possible, but we can't know the future. That's why we have to work with the risk management and the money management, and invest only that amount of money on the risky, useless tokens and assets for speculation. That amount of money, what we can afford to lose. So it's pretty simple. So this is a key, and this is a secret of trades and speculation. And we have to admit, so yes, if the token dump and, for example, drop under 1 cent, is it possible? Yes. We have to understand the risk. The losses, yes, sometimes it's a part of our job. But no, makes sense to hop in just by hype in a token at the top. When it was just a screaming, all indicators screaming, we need to out. What we can see now, still never seen the accumulation zone on a daily. We never touch at the green block. It's bearish. Technically, it's bearish. So ADZ, bearish. Weekly, no data, unfortunately. 12 time frame, some accumulation with the warranty, but we can drop lower. So ADZ, technically neutral, but more to bearish side. So just be ready. 1141, 9 cents, 7. More than real to see. After that, maybe makes sense to start accumulate Avantis for a long run. Anyway, I believe the $1.49, $1.50, it's more than real to see, like a rebound for the token. Trade on. Finally, guys, here it was so obvious signal to sell in September. Of course, on the daily time frame, but of course on the 4-hour time frame, you can catch the better entry here. Finally, we see only after the 25. Imagine after 80 days, we saw the signal take profit. So we need to close our short position on the daily. Now we see the signal to buy. So the good moment, we can hold the line here or drop it down with the stop losses, tiny stop loss under this week. And most likely we will. If we hold the line here, it's going to be just boring sideways and rebound to liquidate all this order flow. If not, the next steps you can mark by Fib. Done. Let's hide this one and let's double check with direction indicator. Direction at the bottom, no signal for accumulation. Neutral. It's not bearish, not bullish. Market mood. We're in capitulation since November, 7 November on the daily, but still A3 on the weekly. For me personally, it's bearish. Money power. No data on the money power weekly. Daily, some rebound, but it's not enough. From now, it can be hard, but realistic 54% drop. I hope we will not drop. Also, more than sure, the Avantis will reach the level under 10 cents in the next bear market. If not now, in the next bear market for sure. So we can close the money power. The trade on I showed you, take profit. Take profit on the weekly, no data. Daily, what is bullish? Bullish is we trade under fundamental value. Is bullish, 34 cents. Take profit line, 92.27. Exit line, $1.03. $1.04. Around the daily gap. So some indicator can show us based on that metrics, that algorithm, some bullish cases, some bearish. You know, that's why we have to combine in the complex all of these 6 indicators, all this TA, our own risk management, money management, and take a decision, buy or not. For me personally, I'm better skip the Avantis. The same story with the Austin network and the other fresh new tokens. So sometimes better skip the token and not froze the money on the spot, especially on the spot. For the futures, of course, you can speculate just locally. Take a look the day 12 time frame. For the metal value of the Avantis now, it's 20 cents 36. So for now, it's really crucial to hold the line around the buy line. Take profit on 12 time frame 53, exit line 60. Highly recommend you just add alert and track the notification when we reach some targets. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, is right in the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.